because he didn't think it was in the water. And I said, yes, it floods. So, as an example too, every now and then someone will accuse me, you gotta be in this guy's head in order to figure out what he's doing. And yes, sometimes they are. This is just a bunch of examples of how you might figure out things. I like this one right down here. What would you do with that? Darwin, Gilgamesh, Dante, Machiavelli, Shakespeare, Tolkien. Any ideas? Do what? No, that's a good one. Dewey Decimal.
Birthday?
No, close.
Well,
Yeah, I guess you could say it's birthday. Basically, put them in order when they, who came first, who came second, who came third, etc. So it's fake coordinates are 43. Let's see what's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so these are your numbers. Darwin is 44. I'm sorry, 88. It's also an extra twist. West is given first, north is given second, which you will see sometimes. Okay, one more example here. This is a puzzle near Wild Rose. It's a real puzzle, it's still there. Anybody tell me what a solution?
It's the top set of numbers, actually a guide, a crypto guide for here on high. No, yep,
No.
okay. No, you're right.
Sometimes you'll have individual numbers substituting for letters. In this example, they use 2-digit numbers, so 21 represents a letter, 15 a letter, etc. You can go through in the standard, count how many 20 there are, count how many 34s, 22s, etc. And the biggest count will probably be the letter E. But there's an easier one. What's the fake coordinates? 44. Stop. First two numbers up on top. Same number. Same number. 44. You see what I see that? No. It's how you spell 40. F-O-R-T-Y. So you have F-O-R-T-Y, and you can start going down and filling in the others, and all of a sudden you start coming up with words. Hey, I recognize that. That's 2. No, that's 8. That's 9. Okay. That's the end of my talk. Anybody got questions? We can talk about specific puzzles or puzzles in general. Yes?
For somebody who is not going to deal with a deep level on these puzzles, is there an easy way of telling how difficult that puzzle is going to be or whether it's worth your time? I mean, I'm looking at these and I'm thinking 99% of these I don't even know what to do. So how do I find the 1% which I might do?
You have to look at almost every single one. And initially I said, look at it. If it's something that jumps out at you, you probably know how to do it. Or if it's like, go to a certain place and get some numbers. Like again, a lot of cemetery ones are show up, look at a stone, get some numbers. Or it might be go to a park and find a sign and get the 3-digit number from it and do something with it. A Sudoku, I mean, I consider it was relatively easy. It just depends upon, yeah. The stars will also give you a general idea, but it's not always accurate because sometimes it could be rated like a 4, when in fact it's a fake and it's like easy. Okay? It's it's experience. You gotta just start looking at every single puzzle that you see around. Keep track of them somehow. I've looked at this one, this involves, I don't know what, I can't do it. Okay, anybody else?
I was just gonna say, sometimes the cash owner will actually sort of tell you how to do it even. If they want you to learn how to do it, so they kind of walk you through it a little bit.
Yeah.
And sometimes if you look at the hint will actually give you an idea of where to go with it.
Right, that's going back. Look at the entire cache page. Read the title, the hints, the text, the previous logs. Look at the attributes. Believe it or not, some are based upon attributes. They'll tell you what the solution is. The name of the cache, the name of the cache owner shown either on the cache page or on the profile page. Again, there was one example where you had to go to the person's profile page and it gave you the coordinates. Another one I didn't cover, but it's, if you view the source of the document, it'll have something inside of it. So that's the HTML of how the cache page is printed. And what you would do is you put your cursor here in a blank area, right click it, and it says View Source. And you will get this huge long list of, you got a page through and page through and page through and page through, but sometimes they're hidden there. One up in the Green Bay area is called Don't Go Poking Around. And that was it. You had to go into the source code of the text. Okay, anybody else? Anybody got a puzzle there? Okay, they mentioned grinding squares before over in Adams County, Rocia Creek. I have no idea, but there's like 4 or 5 of them out. Anybody done those? It's what? Okay, nobody got any more questions? We're done? Go out and find your puzzles. You look tired.